Welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a 2-point perspective. Let's get started. So the difference between 2-point perspective from 1 point in our other video is that there will be 2 vanishing points along our horizon line. So in the first step, let's draw in our horizon line. So we're going to draw a horizontal line from one side to the other side. Our object will be placed in the center, and we'll have a vanishing point right here on the left. That'll be our first vanishing point, and we'll do another one on the right of the horizon line. So then what we'll end up doing now is let's draw a vertical line, and this can be anywhere along your horizon line. Okay, that doesn't matter, but it will be in between your 2 vanishing points. Okay, so from this vertical line, we'll draw lines to the left vanishing point, like that, and then to the right vanishing point. Just like that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the other sides of our cube shape. So we're going to draw a vertical line on the left, and then we'll draw another on the right. Let's do a line right around here. Okay, so now we're ready to add in the back side of our object. And in order to do this, we're going to draw lines connecting the back corners of both sides of our object. So we're going to start over here where these intersect, where this vanishing point line here intersects with this vertical line. And we're going to take that and we're going to draw a line to the left vanishing point, like that. And we're going to do the same on this side, at the lower side here. I'm going to draw a line like that. And then we'll do the same over here with our left vertical line. The lower one we will draw towards our right vanishing point, and we'll do the same for the top corner on our left here towards the right. Okay, so then if you go and darken your lines, now we're going to take this back side here, and where these 2 lines intersect, this one here and that one there, from there we will draw a vertical line, and that will meet these lines that we drew here from the top. Those will meet there. So that will be the rear side, the back side of our box shape. So now if you shade this side in, you'll start to see, the inner volume. Okay, so your object, as you can see, for ours is kind of centered, but you'll have a vanishing point on your left and right. One note, when you're drawing objects above the horizon line, that's called worm's eye view. So that means it'll appear as though you're a small worm and you're really tiny and you're looking up at the object. On the other hand, if your object is below the horizon line, that's called bird's eye view. So that means you're up high, similar to a bird flying in the sky, looking down upon the object. So if you want to do some more advanced drawings, what you can do is, instead of drawing your shape directly on the horizon line, you can draw a vertical line down here below and do the same steps as we did above. Let's make this a little bit bigger. we'll do the same steps. So we'll draw a vanishing point left, we'll draw 2 to the right, and then we'll pick a shape here, thickness like that, and maybe we'll do more of like a rectangular form. All right, so then you'll go from this to the opposite, which is to the left, and down here towards the left, and then we'll start over here and we'll go to our right vanishing point, and this lower one will go to the right, and where these intersect we'll draw a vertical line up, and that gives us our volume of this rectangular form. Then the same thing if we do shape up here. So go ahead and do some practicing of drawing some cubes or some rectangular forms in 2-point perspective.